Scots, welcome back to Scots Weekly for this beautiful Wednesday. And I'm Elijah Cantu.
Hello everyone, I'm Chloe Aguilar, and we have some announcements for you Scots.
So listen up.
First, the finance office is now open Monday through Friday from 7:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m.
Second, esports practices have been canceled for this week.
Third, PODER girls, don't forget to drop off your permission slips in 7C or 3G for Friday's field trip.
Now, let's go take a quick break.
He was really dating her for like me. Yeah. Just together, bro. That's. Oh my god. What happened? Oh, it's nothing. Yeah, something. Can you send me screenshots? Yeah, I got you. Oh my
Welcome back, Scots.
Hungry? Come to the cafeteria for some good food. If you come for zero-period breakfast, it's served from 7:35 to 7:50. Breakfast is served from 8:25 to 8:55, providing lunch every day, and dinner is served from 3:53 to 5 o'clock. Snack is served from 5:30 to 6, and food is all free, so bring your friends and enjoy some good food together.
Wow, I didn't know that. Thanks, Elijah.
No problem, Chloe. Now, let's go for another quick break.
Son ellos, pero no conmigo.
Señora Pedrosa, pues en esta tarde participante, Miss Alberto, y Miss Alberto está a 60 segundos. Hoy estamos aquí con
Señor Delgado.
y
Hey Scots, are you interested in learning more about aviation-related careers such as piloting and airplane maintenance? The HSS AVID program is pleased to announce that a representative from California Aeronautical University will be on campus this Thursday, February 2nd, during periods 4 and 6, to help you learn more about the different programs. Sign up today at the College and Career Center in the library.
It's time to take flight.
Well, Scots, that's all for today's show.
And always remember to plot up at Highland.